I know what you guys are thinking. You're thinking, did we make the stretch goal for the custom headbands? No, okay, actually what you're thinking is, how many freaking Finnish uniforms and hats does this guy actually have? Well, the only way to find out is for us to keep knocking down stretch goals like this and forcing me to have to come up with new announcement update videos like this one. So yeah, we did it. You did it specifically. We passed the goal for custom headbands in the book. Those will be cool. They're a subtle touch, but I think a really nice one. And that leads us to our next stretch goal, which is back to the content side of the book. There is a bizarre Lottie L35 pistol, totally custom made for target shooting in the Sacco reference collection. And if we meet this stretch goal, I will go ahead and include a special highlight section on that particular pistol. It's not specifically relevant to Finnish military small arms, but it is a very interesting, very weird, and pretty darn cool pistol by itself. So if you'd like to see that, check out the Kickstarter campaign. The link is in the description text below. Forged in Snow. If you guys want to add this, let's see where we go. Thanks.